sa akin, UP sa liwanag, sa dilim. I'll scream when you pieces, you pieces, you in my hands, you be safe.
Agyaman akti amin nga nangkad kadwa. Tinamoy di biyang tapno ti kastada ito nga October 1st tayo ket agparin successful celebration again for our city of Candon.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Good night.
mas pinalawak, mas pinalakas sa paghatid ng mga pinakahuling kaganapan saan man sa Ilocandia at Cordillera. Higit 2 dekada ng pinagkakatiwalaan. Ito ang radyong pambalitaan ng Tirad Pass Network. DZTP RADYO TIRAD PAS.
Halo, naimbaga malam yung manan kagayem. Biyernes manan. Kamusta kayo? Ala, sabay lang kumatan. Nasayaat. Di sa sangbay, di programa tayo ita malam. Ditan madayaw pagtaingan nyo. Programa tayo na pauluan Music and Memories. May sa programa, apakitampukan nagiti love songs from the past. Nagiti ko na tayong kangkantang makapalagip. Kaya pagteng itibiyag. Nagiti man kandaragsak. Kuno nakakalkaldang. Bueno, kadwa ka dito DZTP RADYO TIRAD PAS. Alex Molina, iti met DZTP Digital TV ken YouTube. John Gumintong. And of course, malan na toy piloto yung pag-ayam yung tirangatang ken kadagiti lang langalang your dear Manong June. So relax and enjoy the show. Oras tayo na 34.
Was a man, a lonely man, who lost his love through his indifference. A heart that cared, that went unshared until it died within his silence. And solitaire's the only game in town, and every road that takes him down. And by himself it's easy to pretend he'll never love again. And keeping to himself he plays the game. Without her love it always ends the same. While life goes on around him everywhere, he's playing solitaire. A little hope goes up in smoke. Just how it goes without saying. There was a man, a lonely man, who would command the hand he's playing.
There's talk on the street, it sounds so familiar. Great expectations, everybody's watching you. People you meet, they all seem to know you. Even your old friends treat you like you're something new. Johnny come lately, the new kid in town. Everybody loves you, so don't let them down. You look in her eyes, the music begins to play. Hopeless romantics, here we go again. But after a while, you're looking the other way. It's those restless hearts that never mend. Johnny come lately, the new kid in town. Will she still love you when you're not around? There's so many things you should have told her, but night after night you're willing to hold her, just hold her, tears on your shoulder. There's talk on the street, it's there to remind you. It doesn't really matter which side you're on. You're walking away and they're talking behind you. They will never forget you till somebody new comes along. Where you've been lately, there's a new kid in town. Everybody loves him, don't they? And he's holding her, and you're still around. Oh, there's a new kid in town. Just another new kid in town. Everybody's talking about the new kid in town. Everybody's walking like the new kid in town. There's a new kid in town. I don't wanna hear it. There's a new kid in town. I don't wanna hear it. There's a new kid in town. There's a new kid in town. There's a new kid in town. Everybody's talking. There's a new kid in town. People started walking. There's a new kid in town. There's a new kid in town. I've been wandering early and late from New York City to the Golden Gate, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. My daddy was an engineer, my brother drives a hack. My sister takes in laundry while the baby balls a jack. And it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. I've been in the army, I worked on a farm, and all I've got to show is the muscle in my arm. And it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. My mom, she died when I was young. My daddy took to stealing and he got hung. And it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. Snakes in the ocean, eels in the sea. I let a red-headed woman make a fool out of me. And it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. Well, I've been wandering early and late, from the New York City to the Golden Gate. And it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. No, it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering.
Iti panang irogi kada gito'y nga produkto ket gapo iti tagtaga inop nga nakita dagiti nangaramat nga saan nga amo nga bababae kas kada lalaki ket tinaramid ko dagitoy gapo ta kahit nga makita dagiti nang usar ket isumet ti tao gayam ti mangusar so ti nakairogyana dagiti nga kwa nga panakaaramid na. Nagito inspirasyon dagito tapno ado ti mang ammo tapno umayda ta isupay ang kwa pang sapulan. Dati kahit nga saon dagito ta no mausar ka dagiti pagpaboya ket makita met ti pagsayaatan na ken ibongan na. No dagito ket tapno saan nga mapukaw no adda dagiti mayat nga mangsuro umay dalata ket may suro kadakwada sa kaminto agsasarita no kasano ti kastada nga agaramid dapay dagiti daduma nga produkto kas kumakada dagiti kasay kas kada sulibaw tamar aramat ngamin dagito iti entertainment uno pagpiesta uno na duma-duma nga pagpaboya ang kwakas kasigudan dagiti IP ano dagiti disenyo ado no dagiti makikita dito dragon kaskada bilit mabalin mo dagito built bags dagito backpacks kaskada dumapay nga makunang pasit dagiti laga oray anya nga disenyo kabailan dagito nga pataudin. Ay katuan apo no dagiti makakita ay siwawaya kayo latang awison tayo numuti biyang ta danunan dagito no adag kasapulan.
Healthy habits para sa healthy Pilipinas. Nang magulat sa kumakalat, matay inulat sa tamang ulat. Ang dapat babakunahan na, mahalaga na bata pa kahit matatanda. Bakuna muna, una sa lahat. Yeah! Do it na yan! Kalusugan ay unahin at mamanahin ng mamamayan. Ay healthy Pilipinas, malakas sa magandang bukas. Ang bawat Pilipino sa mundo, sa ulado ang pitong ito. Sa healthy habits, go na go! Para sa healthy
ako, ti asawa tayo. Di original nga asawa tayo ako, ah.
Ket dayjay maited kanyada ket bilang na po dayjay kaslan na trabahuan dati 10 days nga minimum wage. So dayjay maawat da so makatulong maten iti kasapulan dati balay da.
Okay. Kumusta na kita'y late tuners? Good afternoon. Kumusta mat na kita'y medical frontliners malan sa dino malan ti ayan nyo nyaman malan na kiting kaya ramidan ka na kito yakan ito sa pala kuma. Ta nasalun at kayo kanayon. Tapno kanayon nga damat mga iwan ka na kiti pasyente sumutaya. Kaya kiti balay pagkagasan. At kumusta mo na kita, da papaimbag ka na kiti babalay da po, di ba di kayo lumimbagan? Anos, tayo tumtumaran nyo anyo, lipatan. Na kayo mat nga mga iaiwan ka na gito, hanyo nga lipatan nga ipatumar, na kita na agas. Na kiti pasyente yung nga papaimbag ka na kiti babalay da, babalayo. Inayon nyo mo tan, Pito-Pito Plus Herbal Capsule, Noon na mas mabisa pa, mas napaspaspas, di subliti sa lunat. Well, kadagiti kapulisan tayo, kasuladawan, kumusta kayo madapo? Siyempre, kadagitay OFWs, overseas Filipino workers. Sabay lang kumata na talgadmet, yada kasasadyo, gramanan nagiti pamilyayo. And of course, nagiti senior citizens, kaya nagiti soon will be senior citizens, bawal magkasakit. At yung manan, pangunay-unay may kada kayo dito'y panagtumaryo iti inaldawal-daw Pito-Pito Plus Herbal Capsule. May isa dito'y food supplement nga na kayo pamaysaan nagiti 8 nga herbal plant extracts. Nagito'y man nagitay traditional medicinal plants nga nasusar nagitay nagkaunang mangagas. Proven effective nagito'y traditional medicinal plants. So inaprobaran mo ti Food and Drug Administration na ito'y food supplement, mawawagan iti Pito-Pito Plus Herbal Capsule. Kamay lako karag iti butika for public use. Natalged nga usaran po nananay di jay protection tayo iti inaldawaldaw. Kung may salaang iti inaldawaldaw, Tagidad duma usaran namat nga every other day. Mabalin mo niya. Tagidad duma, 2-3. Depende di ay rik-rik na anda. Dapat yung herbal coffee tayo, apo. Dapat yung pito-pito herbal oil, ah. So sa Pito-Pito Plus Herbal Capsule, katawan ay protektado, kalusugan ay garantisado. Well, ating arudan, di mo na nga, love ko tita malam. Ahaw, okay. Gunana. True love is inexhaustible. True love is inexhaustible. Naunig sa riya. The more you give, the more you have. Tipud-pudno nga ayat, awan pakaban-banugan na. Di pulos mabanog ko na. Inexhaustible. Iti kada ibinglay mo nga ayat, masubatan matlang, dinakdakkel pa'y nga ayat. The more you give, the more you have. And so, dito karoon kagayam di umuna, love ko dito program mo tayo, music and memories.
One day soon I'll come back and I'll stay forevermore. Wait for me. Say you wait for me. One day soon we'll wander where we've never before. Say to me, you will wait for me. When the winter's through, once more I look into your eyes, I will fly to you. Soon I'll see you and I'll kiss away your tears. Promise me you will wait for me. Say you will, and we'll see every dream come true.
Do you remember when you loved me before the world took me astray? If you do, then forgive me and make the world go away. And get it off my shoulders. Say the things you used to say. Please am sorry if I hurt you. I'll make it up day by day. Just say you love me like you used to, and make the world go away.
Make the world go away.
Get it off my shoulders.
Say the things you used to say.
And make the world go away.
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds aglow, the limousines to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I don't even have the looks to make you glance my way. The clothes I wear may just seem so absurd, but deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do. All those years may see you through, still I'll be waiting here for you. If you have time, please lend an ear to
Jerry Nigo, Joe Stanley, Choco Mocho, Pedro Lopez. I'd like to welcome you all in London City. Thank you to the President, for allowing us to host the PDL in London City. My warmest greetings to all the teams who are here this afternoon. Welcome to London City.
Let's wander Pampanga's culinary scene. Known as the country's culinary capital, Pampanga is a regular stopover for foodies, where culture and cuisine combine into the unique fusion of flavors of vibrant Kapampangan dishes. You can fill up on the colors alone. There's so much to sample, especially when you're in a foodie hotspot like Pampanga. Find more Filipino flavors in your next virtual tour.
Ngayong hapon, binibigyan natin ng parangal ang maating makukulay na float at festival performances noong nakaraang araw ng kalayaan. Dahil ang bagong Pilipinas ay hindi lang tungkol sa pagsulong. Ito rin ay ang pag-aalala at pagbibigay halaga sa ating pinanggalingan. Your creativity, your passion, the spirit that brings depth and meaning to who we are as a nation. Kaya't saludo ako sa inyong lahat. I hope that the spark that you have within you to join these kinds of festivities, that it will never leave. It will never leave your heart, and it will never leave your creative spirit. Because we are not just preserving our culture when we do this. We preserve it for the next generation, but more so, we are living our culture. We are living it proudly and joyfully and meaningfully. Ipakita natin na tayo ang tagapagmana ng tapang, talino at malasakit ng ating mga ninuno. Tayo ang mga bagong Pilipino. Katulad nila, may disiplina, may husay, may panindigan ipaglaban ang kinabukasan ang ating inang bayan.
Dahil sablianan nga rin di programa de Music and Memories. Okay, agawan-awan. Di oras de alas 2:11. Isang walan na, intay denggan na kita dumapay nga love songs. At yung mga intay kablawan, uray, hampay mala siguro nga naladaw niya. Although, numamisan ko natin muna, better late than never. Happy birthday, Laarni Garnase Vicente. Ma'am, Happy birthday, may kamen. Apo di ay. Dati handam. Kapan ka man nagpanita ni awayan. Ay Iha Rochelle Eliza Lemmy kada Kalawian. Kita Tagudin tataw no dati abroad. Linlin Gonzalo. Birthday na gayam ay pumpumpun ni ko. Airpods na ni Ador. Ayan. Akira May Evangelista. Ayan. Pintasing na ganda niya. Akira. Basta di singer. Akira. Kita dumapayang ang birthday tangal daw. Ala, hamang nadakamat, lagi tinagnagan nyo ditoy. At yung ang kamiya brasa, ti palangkablaw, mi kada kayo. Naragsak ng kay panagkasangay. Kita dumapayang ang sel-celebran, no niya manan nagiting kay laglagi pa na sel-celebraran ni tangal daw. Happy celebration. Okay? Ti apo, ti dang amang bendisyon, mangipaay ka na kayo, ti panarabay, ken kasama ten nananay, asalon at yupay. Louie Ginela Valentino Ramos, di tanay Manila, kumusta ka ta? Brad. Alex kani Helen Rebuldela diti San Juan, Candon City. Okay, timan ngarod gagayam di may sapay nga love quote tita malem. Is it a love quote or inspirational quote? Kunana, it doesn't make you weak to love someone. I love quote already. It doesn't make you weak to love someone. Pulos, saan ka kumapsot? No agayat ka. Siyempre no may inspiraran ka sumaranta ka. So it doesn't make you weak to love someone. Just love and love and love and love. Tapno pumigsa ka nga pumigsa. Is it? Okay, titakat gagayan may samanan nga love quote. Dito pa lang program. What are music and memories to ni Tom Jones. If.
If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show. To you I've come to know. If a face could launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you. You're all that's left me to. And when my love for life is running dry, you come and pour yourself on. If a man could be two places at one time, I'd be with you tomorrow and today, beside you all the way. If the world should stop revolving, spinning slowly down to die. I'd spend the end with you. And when the world was through, then one by one the stars would all go out. Then you and I would simply fly
Baby, I need your love right now. And baby, I want to show you how. Come on. You know that we've waited long enough, and now it's time to be lovers. I try to be all you want me to, and it's hard, but baby, it's worth it all for you. And it hurts making me wait for you this way. I can't go on, so come on and take me now. Take my love, make come true the feelings I've been dreaming of. Take me now, take me fast. You can trust in me, our love will ever last. I know we haven't known each other long, but still something so right just can't be wrong. Besides, it ought to be up to me and you when it's time for each other. I live for the day we live as one. Look back over all the things we've done. But now, baby, I need your love right now. I can't go on, so come on and take me now. Take my love, make come true the feelings I've been dreaming of. Take me now, take me fast. You can trust in me, our love will ever last. Take me now, take my love, make come true the feelings I've been dreaming of. Take me now, take me fast. You can trust in me, our love will ever last.
She knows when I'm lonesome, and she cries when I'm sad. She's up in the good times, she's down in the bad. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But girl, she doesn't know about you. I can tell her my trouble. She makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses not to hold her at night. We can talk of tomorrow. I'll tell her of things that I want to do. But girl, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her I don't miss her whenever I'm away? How can I say it's you I think of every single night and day? But when is it easy telling someone we're through? Oh girl, help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you?
Lernal Auto Supply, Furnitures and General Merchandising, aglaku itinalaka ken dekalidad a piyasa dagitilugan kas kumay ti Toyota, Isuzu, Mitsubishi, Mazda. Puso ken Jeep, aglaku na pa iti aming klase ti baterya kas kumay ti Motolite, Electron, Stallion ken Inner Strength. Ada pa'y pilit a Goodyear, Gaha, India, Thailand ken China tires. Agraman iti interiors da. Ada pa'y mulye ken radiator. Gumatangan pa iti motorcycle parts ken electrical parts at dapay aparador, stante, divider, stroller, double beds ken monoblock chairs at dapay piyesa ti Yanmar ken Kubuta ken appliances. Masarakan iti main store Waig Daya, Canton City 077-254-0115. Lerner Branch, San Jose 077-254-0067. Santa Cruz Branch 077-302-0705. Ken Lernal Bodega San Juan, Candon 077-254-0085. Lernal Auto Supply, Furnitures and General Merchandising, kukwa kanimat matunan da Nelson ken Lerma Chua ken dagiti anak da.
President Bongbong Marcos tatlo aming pamilya na makawag ng financial assistance. So, napanunod ni Kongreso ako with the leadership of House Speaker Martin Romualdez na inugida ng program ng AKAP. So, dati yung AKAP ako ay sa kabarbaro ng programa ng DSWD at dito yung ako at dito sa bali na mabalik makaawag ng financial assistance.
Dito'y suyo kat iso dati ti payout ti distribution ti cash assistance nagkapot ti DSWD AX. So nung dati nga distribution para di kiti gaputan dati Typhoon Egay. So aming nga victims si Typhoon Egay. Di naperjat ti Balbalayda. Ada di total damage, adamot partial damage. So depende di na submit da nga condition ti Balbalayda, so dati ti maawat da nga na assistance nga gapu ti DSWD.
Sabi natin habits para sa healthy Pilipinas. Galaw-galaw baka ma-stroke like bike, jog, jump rope. I'm so kumain ng sapat, dapat balance. Kahit pinggang Pinoy malami. There you have it. Isa sa 7 healthy habits. Sundin! Do it na yan. Kalusugan ay unahin at mga nahin ng mamamayan. Ay healthy Pilipinas. Malakas sa mga...
Bueno, di oras na yun, alas 2:31. Dito pa lang programa na yung Music and Memories. Ay, kumusta kayo ta? Emikin ni Jerry De Guia, ta Santa Cruz. Oh, ni Charity Ann Bayanguna, JR. And the kids at Baguio. Nakaturog man siguro ni Edith niya. Oh, Beth Roldan McMahon dita India na USA. Sama kini Randall, the energetic Rosa, kani Keith, how are you? Oh, tatani Brad Ruben Galien, ya. Anak nih, damo gaya man DZTP. Kuna kano yung tuno July 5. Nakano nang ibaga July. Oy, amat. Kamusta ba? Siyempre ni kay kapungan-pungan na. Lani Galien and family. Kelly, Roger, Kenny Carol Galliano and family. Okay, kagaya mo tuyan ti may sapay love ko ti Tamalem kunana. But if you think there's any chance that I could make you happy, I wish you could let me try. Because it's the only thing I really want to do in my life. Alaga mo yan. Palipot can be, what's this? Sally Rooney, may isang Irish author. Familiar screenwriter. Pati nobela na one is sikat. Normal People na najay. Okay? No bilang madana kiti gundaway maparagsak ka. Ara-ara apek apalubusan na kuma. Taday talayang tiket ko nga ramiden itira ito ay abiyag. Ay maparagsak ka. Ayan. Okay, dito karon di may isama na nga Love Code kagayam nito programa tayo Music and Memories. Brad Aubrey.
And Aubrey was her name, a not so very ordinary girl or name. But who's to blame for a love that wouldn't bloom, for the hearts that never played in tune, like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away the words that rhyme, it doesn't mean a thing. And Aubrey was her name. We tripped the light and danced together to the moon. But where was June? No, it never came around. If it did, it never made a sound. Maybe I was absent or was listening too fast, catching all the words, but then the meaning going past. God, I miss the girl, and I'd go 1,000 times around the world just to be closer to her than to me. And Aubrey was her name. I never knew her, but I loved her just the same. I loved her name. Wish that I had found the way and the reasons that would make her stay. I have learned to lead a life apart from all the rest. I can't have the one I want, I'll do without the best. How I miss the girl, and I'd go a million times around the world just to say she had been mine for a day.
Girl, you are to me all that a woman should be, and I dedicate my life to you always.
A love like yours is rare. It must have been sent from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always. And we both know that our love will grow, and forever it will be you and me. Ooh, you're like the sun, chasing all of the rain away. When you come around, you bring brighter days. You're the perfect one for me, and you forever will be, and I will love you so for always.
Come with me, my sweet. Let's go make a family, and they will bring us joy for always.
each teardrop that you cry. If she ever leaves you blue, just remember I love you. I'll be there before the next teardrop falls.
Welcome to this historic and momentous hosting of the National Hip Hop Program for the 2024 National Teachers Month celebration in our beloved Candon City. Indeed, hosting this event is an honor for our teachers, and this is the best opportunity for Candon City to express our thanks to our heroes, our teachers, who are in charge of molding our children.
At Congress have taken this mission to heart. And under the 19th Congress, we have enacted RA 11997, otherwise known as the Kabalikat sa Pagtuturo Act. This act grants all public school teachers a teaching allowance in the amount of 5,000 per teacher for school year 2024 to 2025 and 10,000 per teacher for school year 2025 to 2026 and thereafter.
Let's wander the historic city of Vigan. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of the best preserved Spanish colonial towns in the world. Walk along cobblestone streets of heritage houses and historic attractions dating back to 1500s. Don't forget to take home Ilocano crafts for pasalubong. Travel back in time in Vigan or escape to another world-renowned wonder.
So dito iti panang-commence, panang-rugi, iti panaka-construct na. So nga dalatoy groundbreaking ceremony na naramid kahit nasa awan full blast the implementation dati panakabangon ti community airport ti Candon City.
Una pong activity natin, embankment, para yung kalsada, pumantay po tayo doon sa kalsada natin. And yung finished product po kasi natin, we have to be even higher than the road.
The programa de Music and Memories KKM Tuno bigat gayam tay palakay dulin di nana Belia Lucen ya. Last night na rata. Last day, last night. Tuno bigat sut pumpuna po. Kalagiti kabagyan, gagayem, ken makamamu, ken kuana. May misa, unod na service, nga maangay nga muna. Iti UCCP Church, ito'y San Jose. Siyudad ti Candon, ya. Santo may panid ay sementeryo para ti mauding panakakita maten kan kuana. The service man naman niya. Gibalay dali tanay San Nicolas. Sa likodan lang di North Central School. Madamdama mga 4 o'clock. Okay, ni Brenda ni Armando Gaboy. Nakatutok dalat naman niya. Cory Garlejo Johnson, nasaan ka na? Nasa Thailand. Talagang tour, Panawan ti pa nag-tour. Joseph Clemente and family, Ray Antalan and family. Okay, ito yan nga rin may sapay nga love ko tayo tamalem ko na. Never chase love, affection, or attention. Never. If it is not given freely by another person, it is not worth having. Sa mo nga tarigagayan, unha mo nga kamatag. Kang agapura nga maadan iti kaya na niya tunuan kang agapura nga maalam matagikwam dahi tang ayat na rikna ken window attention babaam tano saan na si pupuso may paiken karayta awan serbina matagikwa. It's not worth having. Okay, oras de on, alas 2:53.
Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love forever true.
Jody was the girl who lived next door. I've known her, I guess, 10 years or more. Jody wrote me a note one day, and this is what she had to say.
Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love forever true.
Slowly I read her note once more. Then I went over to the house next door. Her teardrops fell like rain one day when I told Joni what I had to say. Joni, Joni, please don't cry. You'll forget me by
hometown. Got me a job and tried to settle down, but these words kept haunting my memory. The words that Joni said to me. My clothes and I got a plan. I had to see Joni, I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory, and asked my Joni if she'd marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door, but things weren't like they were before. My teardrops fell like rain that day when I heard what Joni had to say.
Jimmy, Jimmy, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. It's been 5 years
Look at Jane. See Jane laugh and play. Look, Dick, look. See pretty Jane, I'm gonna marry her someday.
I loved her since we were children. Back in grammar school, loved her then, and I always will. Though I know I'm just a fool. Then one day I kissed her, but it was all in vain, 'cause I was at their reception to have fun with Dick and Jane. Look, Dick, look. Look at Jane. See Jane laugh and play. Look, Dick, look. See pretty Jane, I'm gonna marry her someday. Time has turned some pages since they moved away, and I think back in stages of the way she'd laugh and play. Today I received a letter that she has passed away. So one last time I'll kiss her by the flowers where she'll lay. Look, Dick, look. Look at Jane. See Jane laugh and play. Look, Dick, look. See pretty Jane. I'm gonna marry her someday.
Tiny bubbles in the wine make me happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubbles make me warm all over, with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. So here's to the golden moon, and here's to the silver sea, but mostly here's a toast to you and me. I said tiny bubbles in the wine make me happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubbles make me warm all over, with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. So here's to the golden moon, and here's to the silver sea, but mostly here's a toast to you and me. Tiny bubbles in the wine make me happy, make me feel fine. Oh, tiny bubbles, make me warm all over, with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. With a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time.
Original asawa tayo ako ang
Ket dayjay maited kanyada ket bilang na po dayjay kasla na trabahuan dati 10 days nga minimum wage. So dayjay ti maawat da so makatulong maten iti kasapulan dati balay da.
Let's wander the roads of Ilocos Norte. The picture-perfect place for a scenic drive where the mountains meet the sea. Drive on up to one of the last Spanish colonial lighthouses of its kind. Enjoy the ride in Ilocos Norte. Or take another trip somewhere else.
Modin nga paset ti programa dayo ti ngaroden ti maudi meten nga love quote ti Malem kunana, if one misses you, he or she will call you. If one wants you, he or she will say it. If one cares, he or she shows it. And if not, he or she cannot be worth your time. No kailiw na ka, wagan na ka. No magustuhan na ka, ay kaibuksilan na, daytay nawaya na, daytay rignana. No ilalaan na ka, parang na, ipakita na, ipariknana. Tano awan ken kwa na, dagitoy agalad. Awan met mama ay na, ngay paayam iti tiyempo, kundaway wenno panawen. Saan nga pagaksayahan ti oras wenno panawen. Saan nga may kari, humaya. Well, ito nga rin demoting love code kagayam dito pa ng program audio Music and Memories.
Turn me loose from your hand. Let me fly to distant lands, over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains. Home along the lanes of the skyway, for this dark and lonely room projects a shadow cast in gloom, and my eyes are mirrors of the world outside, thinking of the ways that the wind can turn the tide, and these shadows turn from purple into gray, for just this skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Let me wake up in the morning to the smell of new mown hay, to laugh and cry, to live and die in the brightness of my day. I wanna hear the pealing bells of distant churches sing, but most of all, please free me from this aching metal ring, and open out this cage towards the sun, for just this skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far. this world. So many souls are in its light, but for me there is just one girl, and she's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. Under the lover's moon. Only child alone and wild, a cabinet maker's son. His hands were meant for different work, and his heart was known to none. He left his home and went his lone and solitary way, and he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay. Quiet man of music, denied a simpler fate. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't wait. He earned his love through discipline, a thundering velvet hand. His gentle means of sculpting souls took me years to understand. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. Brothers' lives were different, for they heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado when I'm not in some hotel, living out this life I've chose and come to know so well. Thank you for the music and your stories of the road. I thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. I thank you for the kindness and the times when you got tough. And Papa, I don't think I said I love you near enough. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. I am a living legacy to the leader unexpected places. In someone's eyes you've never met, who wants to get to know you. Someone's smile you can't forget, and if the music plays on in your mind, take all the love that you can find, and if love takes you in, take all the love that you can find, and hope it comes again. From the most unexpected places. A love song on the radio you never hear enough of. In bars that thrive on loneliness, where people sell their sorrow for your time. They take the love that they can find, and if love takes them in, they take the love that they can find, and hope it comes again. Love comes in many ways, in lovers' arms and sweet embrace. But if nothing's said, then nothing's ever heard. But here I stand outside your door, and I'm trying to tell you just once more that I love you. I still love you. Ooh, baby, I love you. Someone's eyes you've never met, who wants to get to know you. Someone's smile you can't forget, and if the music plays on in your mind, take all the love that you can find, and if love takes you in, take all the love that you can find, and hope it comes again. Take all the love that you can find, and hope it comes again.
Well, ledawang karudian kagayam tinakabuklan dari programa tayo itamal MT Biyernes. Ala. Thank you manen itingkay panarabay sabay lo kumatan na liwliwada kayo manen. Huray pagkanitulaang Nagsublit programa tayo karo din to lumaya Lunes. Entun bigat programa tayo si Kaken tinapalabas. Alauna naging ganang talas stress. Okay? Sabay lo kumatanda kayo tumanen. Well, kadwa karo di DZTP RADYO TIRAD Pass. Alex Molina, ito at DZTP Digital TV Can YouTube. John Gumintong. And of course, ito manan, nabuhang pakala at pansamantala. Dito pagayam yu itirangatang ken karagiti lang langalang. Your dear Manong June. Dagal-alwa tayong karayon, please. Keep safe everyone. Nainay tayong agkarkarara kiti Apo. Pagyamanan kada kiti blessing na ipapaay kada tayo inaldawal-daw. Panakapili tayong maipapaayan kada kitoy nga blessings. Kan panagbalin tayo met. Nga blessing kada kito mga tao. Padanan yung arudan ni Nick Barroga. may man tumanawagin. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye-bye.